scratch. So for that we have to create a tree class with our root node. So we have to create a node class as well. So in that class we should have value to store our item, and also it should have two nodes, left and right child. So in our tree class we have a root node, and in our node class we have the value to store our item, and also we have two nodes that are left child and the right child. So let's create a class called tree and create a private class called node. So in my scenario I'm going to store integer value, so that I use integer variable here, and two nodes called left child and right child. So we need to initialize our node with the value, so that we are creating a constructor with value. And also I'm going to override our toString method, so we can easily represent our node values. I'm going to return it with the node and the value. So, okay. So in the tree class we have our root node. Now I'm going to initialize my insert method. So we are going to insert a new item, new value called with item. So the first thing I'm going to do is I need to create a node with this value. Okay. Then we check whether if the root node is filled or not. So let's say our root node is null. So in that case we can easily initialize our root node with the node value and return it. We don't need to go through the next part. We can simply return it after initializing our root node with the node value. If not, we have to create a current variable, and we set it with the we set it with the root, and I'm going to use a while loop and iterate through the tree and insert it to the correct place. So the first thing I'm going to do in here, we check our item is less than or greater than our root node. So simply with our current node. So let's say our item is less than our current value. If it is less than our current value, we need to check our current value has left child, so we check our left child is null or not. If it is null, we can simply set our left child with the not and break. We can come out of the while loop. If it is not, we have to set our current node as our current left child. So if our item is greater than current node, so we need to check if it has the right child. So right child. If the right child is null, we can simply set right child with the node 12 and break. If not, we can set current to the current dot right child. So we initialize our insert. Let's create a tree, this tree. So I'm going to go to the main class and create a tree. And then I'm going to insert our first element 10, and then next element 5, and next 15, okay. Let's create a breakpoint here and debug it and check. Okay, so this is our tree. So we can see the root node is 10 and it has 2 children. Left child is 5 and the right child is 50, like in the image. And left child also had the right child, it is 6. Left child also has the right child, it is 6. And right child values are null for now because we didn't insert other elements. So we create a insert method and insert the value.